morning, world! Today feels like a great day for farming.
Can't work on an empty stomach. Now that is a prize-winning tomato if I ever saw one. Hello, ladies. How are the eggs looking today? Let's get moving! Let's get moving! Afternoon, folks. Fresh tomatoes and eggs right here. Another day's work well done. Now, who's hungry? Step right up! The freshest tomatoes in the county, grown with pride. Thank you kindly. See you next week, partner. Nothing beats the view of the farm at sunset. It was a long day, but a good one. Tomorrow is another day to make this farm proud.
Good night, farm.
Rise and shine. There is work to be done and tomatoes to grow. Looking sharp, feeling sharp. Let's see how those plants did overnight. Hello? Is someone hiding in there? Right in the center of the square today. That is the plan. Here we go. Best harvest of the season coming through. Almost ready. These tomatoes are gonna fly off the shelf. Fresh from the farm this morning, partner. You won't find better. What a day! I think the farm will be very happy with this. Time to go home. Sleep well, everybody.